Hello everybody and welcome back to skidsteers.com. I'm Isaac and today we're going to be bringing you the MX tread pattern track. This is going to be found on your excavator machines, and there is a couple different variants, and we'll get into that a little bit later into the video. This is a very high quality set of tracks that is manufactured with high quality rubber compounds, as well as it has those continuous steel cables running throughout the track inside of that rubber to prevent breakdown on the rubber, as well as giving you longer life before seeing any tearing or balding on that tread. When looking at the different variants of MX tread, you're going to see that the machines that are much larger and heavier are going to have a little bit less aggressive of tread on the track because you've got more weight from the machine pushing down onto the ground surface, which is going to allow that tread to dig into the surface a little bit better. And on something where you may be looking at a machine between 8 to 15,000 pounds, you may be getting a set of tracks like this, which this MX variant has a little bit more aggressive tread to it. So the difference between them is that on the one that's a little bit more aggressive is going to have more angle to that tread. So you're going to have a little bit more edge, groove, and bite to dig into that ground surface. Whereas on the larger excavators, again, it's a little less angled, because you're going to, of course, be able to dig into the ground surface with that heavier machine. One really nice thing about this set of tracks is that it's going to do a great job of clearing out the mud and snow. So if you are in muddy terrain or you are on the snow, as you're moving forward with the machine, it's going to do a great job clearing that out in between each tread. This is a fantastic set of tracks, really in every application. You're going to get fantastic traction in mud, snow, ice, dirt, but then it's a very heavy duty set of tracks with some very large tread pads on top of the track here that you can run in concrete, asphalt, construction sites, anything like that without worrying about tearing and gouging on those rubber pads on that tread. Again, very heavy duty set of tracks. This is going to be a 2-inch thick track from the bottom to the top of the tread. And then if you're to measure that tread pad itself, that's going to be a little bit over an inch thick as well. So this is going to give you a lot longer life, of course, again, before seeing any balding or tearing or anything like that. One application that it would probably not be the best performing in would be something like your lawn care services. So if you're doing any landscape work, because it's such an aggressive track, you might see a little bit of tearing on the ground surface on somebody's property or yard. So that's one thing I would look out for, but it's still a fantastic set of tracks. You could easily get onto a job site like that and do the work that you need to do, but there might just be a little bit of cleanup afterwards just to make it look nice and finished. Another really nice thing about this set of tracks is on the inside here, there is a thin rubber coating or layer where your undercarriage rides. So this is going to help prevent wear and tear on your undercarriage parts. What we typically see is the sprockets on your machine usually dull or shorten, which is going to cause jumping or skipping on the tracks as you're riding forward or backward. And with that thin layer of rubber, that's going to help prevent that wear and tear over time on your undercarriage parts. So again, you're going to want to get as much life out of the track, but we also want to make sure you're getting a long life out of your undercarriage parts. And these tracks are going to do just that for you. We are offering free shipping on this set of tracks. So if you are to get a pair, we are able to get these out the door the same day. And if not, for sure the next day, along with that free shipping. If you do have any questions or are interested in a set of tracks, give us a call here. Our number is 866-315-3134, or you can click the link in the description below. This is going to pull up the web page for the tracks, and then you can see any additional photos, specs, or features that you may be looking for. Thank you all very much for watching. We do appreciate it, and you all have a great rest of your day.